Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. We've done a lot of Raptor paint jobs, and we figured out that we try to look at the internet, but nobody really tells you how to take it from step one all the way to the finished product. And what we're gonna do right here is that we're gonna go ahead and make a series of videos and tell you how to do that. Now, this right here is Rolly right there. Say hi, Rolly. And that right there is Daniel. So go ahead and say hi, Daniel. Now, these guys might look young, but they've done about 10, 15 cars already, and those cars are coming out outstanding. This right here is a 2003 Chevy Suburban that we got out of auction. We bought it for $1,300. As you could see, the paint is pretty messed up on it. It's pretty burned up right there. Here we have a lot of hail damage, and basically the exterior of the truck is pretty intact rather than the paint. But other than that, it's fine. The inside is pretty clean. None of the seats are torn. In these older vehicles, you see always a cracking on the leather. This one's pretty intact. Pretty dirty, but seats are intact. The back seat looked like this hasn't even been sat on, so that was a good thing right there. So anyhow, so what we're doing right here is that we're gonna go and start explaining to you how we do this. Now, preparation for these is it's a must. It's the most important thing, and it's gonna be the difference if your Raptor paint job is gonna last you a year or it's gonna be permanent. The way that we like to do it is we like to go by sections. For example, Rody right here is working on this section right there. Is working on this section, and basically what he's doing is that he's going from there all the way down to the bottom. Every single little area that has any type of clear coat, Raptor will not stick to clear coat. It doesn't matter what you do. So basically right here, he started sanding down from this area right there. That little area still has some clear coat. That area still has some clear coat. That area has some clear coat. But what we do is that we go ahead and start sanding the entire area. We give it a good cleaning with some paint thinner. That exposes the remaining clear coat, and then we go back and we'll go ahead and do a second sanding. Make sure that that's ready. Then we go ahead and go on to the next area. So Rolly's gonna continue working on that, and we're gonna go see Cafu's side over here. As you see, Cafu has a different method of doing it. He's going and he's just going one pass around. He's just making sure that all of this is done right there. He's going to be moving up to the top side and so on and so forth. So right now they're going to continue working. Now I do understand that this sanding process is a little bit boring, so we're going to make a series of videos. Right now we're going to go ahead and cut for this one. We're going to come back when that side's ready, when we're ready to put the paint thinner on it, clean it up, and then we'll go from there. So all right guys, it's going to be a series. We're going to do this entire truck. What we're going to try to do that we're going to go ahead and Raptor paint job. We're going to put some fender flares. We're going to level it out, put some rims and tires. It's going to look awesome. It's going to be a process. So hope you like the video. Hope you guys see the series. Hope you guys enjoy it. Thanks a lot.